Composite functions in 124 seconds, let's go. This is a super common topic in exams, guys, and it's pretty tricky, so let's have a look. The question says, given that f of x equals 2x plus 4 and g of x equals 3 minus x squared, calculate, first of all, g of f of x, then f of g of x, then f of g of 2. Guys, what are we going to do? When it comes to finding a composite function, what we're going to do is we're going to plug our inside function, which is closer to our x, into our outside function. So in this first case of finding g of f of x, what we're going to do is we're going to plug f of x into g of x. How, though, are we going to do that? What we're going to do is we're going to take our f of x, in this case 2x plus 4, and we're going to swap it for our x in our outside function. Let's get it done, though. Then, so 3 minus x squared, that's going to become 3 minus, we're going to swap our x for 2x plus 4, so it's going to be 3 minus 2x plus 4 squared, and we could simplify that if we wanted to, but the question doesn't ask us to, so it's not necessary here. Then what about the difference then between g of f of x, which we just found, and f of g of x? This time the g is closer to the x, so this time we're going to plug the g of x into the f. Let's see what we get. So f of x we know is 2x plus 4. This time we're going to swap our g of x, 3 minus x squared, for our x. That's going to give us 2 times by 3 minus x squared. Close those brackets, and we're going to copy down our plus 4, so we're going to have our plus 4 on the end. Finally, what about f of g of 2? This time, we're taking our f of g of x, and we're going to swap our x for our 2. So we're going to take our f of g of x here, and we're going to plug in x equals 2. Let's do that and see what we get. We're going to get 2 times by 3 minus x squared, x is 2, so 3 minus 2 squared, close those brackets, copy down that plus 4. This time, what are we going to get? We're going to have 2 times by 3 minus 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, 3 minus 4, that's going to be minus 1. So we write that in, add in our plus 4. Finally, 2 times by minus 1, that's going to be minus 2. Copy down our plus 4, minus 2 plus 4. That, guys, is going to be positive 2, our final answer to f of g of 2. Hopefully that made sense. If it didn't, feel free to watch again.